It's always funny to me whenever I watch Kenneth Bird's videos and he pops up that I've just texted him or emailed him something and I'm watching a video hours after it even occurred, knowing I never sent him anything. That's where I go to, guys. It's almost kind of surreal. But here's the thing, Ken. If you've got something that you received from me, show it. Please provide proof because you've got one email from me 2 years ago, one email, and that's all you get from me, other than a couple of comments where I drop in a smiley face just to let you know it makes me smile. So show it. Show that stuff. Show the stuff. Show the threats because everybody out here knows that if you had it, you would show it. You just make that crap up. Here's something else you just made up. Look at this. He uses one of his Google searches to pull up this to try to preach to folks out there that the average lux in your house should be 5,000 to 1,500 lux. BS. If you would look at, because if you look at the link underneath there, that's engineeringtoolbox.com. And if you went to that site and you looked at that article, what they would show you was this, which walks through the average lux, generally the design lux, because you can check with realtors, you can check with interior designers whenever they're designing a home, any home, every home pretty much that's ever been built, unless you built it yourself and didn't know to do this. There is a design person, an engineer, right? An architect who designs how much lighting goes into each room. You want more lighting in your bathroom, more lighting in your kitchen, less lighting in your living rooms and bedrooms and dens and things like that. Why? Because in bathrooms and kitchens, you want higher light for cleaning efficiency, but you also want it because you're doing small tasks sometimes, especially in the kitchen. You're going to be cutting up things. With Mr. Bird in the bathroom, it's definitely a small task. But this is what they use. And if you look here, what you will see is that for houses, the average is around 150 lux. It's all right there for you to see in homes. If you look at the yellowish kind of text line, that one at the end says auditoriums, and that would be like gyms, like where we've done installs, and we told you it was roughly around 50-foot candles, 500 lux. That's 50-foot candles on the floor, not on the walls. The walls are usually less, around anywhere from 180 to 200 lux. But then what does this bozo, Kenneth Fellatio Bird, what does he show you? Now, while he's arguing with Phantom HD Illuminate, which in my opinion is the most honest person I've seen out here, I put him above myself in that respect because he doesn't let his emotions get the better of him. He's a great guy. And he's trying to berate Phantom HD, Kenneth Bird is, by saying, you showed something in 119 lux. That's pitiful. That's nothing. That's sorrowful. Just horrible. Yet when Ken shows his meter underneath his dome light, parked right underneath his dome light, he's trying to tell you that it's 977 lux. But if you look closely, you see that that's 97.7. It's less than 100 lux. So he's trying to berate somebody for doing something in 119 lux when he can't even get 100 lux in that room of his that's supposed to be so well lit, which goes back to my statements about his camera being all rigged up, because if you look at that dome light, boy, it's all jacked up. It's glowing from one side of the room to the other side of the room. Total bullshit. Kenneth Bird is a liar. He is a scammer. He is a fraudster. He is a thief who lies to people on camera and tries to charge you $200 to $300 for a quart of damn paint. Now, how stupid does somebody have to be to pay that much for a quart of paint? For a quart of paint. Paint, people, paint. Are you hearing me? Paint. You're going to pay $300 for a quart of paint because he tells you it's technology. Yeah, bullshit. So once again, you got caught, Kenneth, doing your stupid little things here. And you think you can take me on, buddy? I'm still standing on that hill. You come get me. Come get me. You guys take care.